Right, today is September 19th, about 8:45 p.m. And this is just a test on some ae86 power windows switch setup. So everything's pretty much connected as if it would be connected in a car. Got your 12-volt battery here, got your master switch here, got your passenger wiring loom, and then this connection would be as if it was going from the left door to the right door harness to the window motors. All right, so here it is. Passenger side, up and down from the passenger switch, and then test the lock. All right, no power. Switch it back on. Okay, it's good. And then now to test the passenger or driver side motor. So up, down. Yeah, so it's all good, functioning, ready to go. And these will be the plugs to replace the ones that are connected to the actuators that you bought. All right, cool.